Public health is a very broad area. My role as Chair in Public Health is to provide leadership and also advancement of public health, in particular in Western Australia, but also broader than that and across the country. There are a number of areas that we actually have an active research program in, and that includes currently looking at cancer service delivery, so the delivery of health services to people with cancer, and that includes both initial screening, people that have been diagnosed, how they're treated, and how that impacts their health outcomes. In addition to that, we have a program that looks at quality use of medicines, so how people are using medicines in the community, whether that accords with the clinical guidelines that indicate how we know they should be using medicines, and if not, why is it they're not sort of following those guidelines, and if they do deviate, what impact does that have? Some other work is looking at disadvantaged or vulnerable populations or groups in the community and their access to health services. Even with symptoms like major symptoms and risk factors like blood in the stool, if you're in the public health system, you could be waiting many months to get that checked out or investigated. What level of risk are they at going forward in time, and then trying to identify those that are at higher risk because they should require more intensive surveillance. It's a privilege, I guess, to be able to work in health research, to look at new areas where there's a gap in the body of knowledge. It's a case that we know that government or health care providers are wanting to improve things, but the evidence just doesn't exist. The next thing is in particular looking at the colorectal cancer screening and the risk profiling. Is there evidence that can be provided to say, well, people with greatest need should be getting priority access to these services rather than people that perhaps have sort of lower risk profiles? UWA it's a great place to study, it's a great place to work, it's a welcoming environment, provides world-class education and training, and why wouldn't you want to live in Western Australia?